The 2026 Audi Q3 doesn't have a gear shifter. I know, sounds like clickbait, but look at the center console. There's nothing there. No traditional shifter, no buttons, no stubby little gear knob, just a starter button, a parking brake switch, and an audio knob. Here's where it gets weird. Audi moved the entire gear selector to the steering column. You shift gears with a stalk on the right side of the steering wheel, like you're signaling a turn. It's the kind of change that makes you pause and ask why. And the answer is actually brilliant. See, by deleting the shifter from the console, Audi opened up massive storage space right where you need it. Your phone, your wallet, your coffee, all of it fits without playing Tetris. The wiper controls move to the left stalk. Everything you need to drive lives on the steering wheel now. It's clean, it's futuristic, and it feels like driving something from 2030. But that's just the opening act. The screens are enormous. An 11.9-inch digital cluster and a 12.8-inch touchscreen that tilts toward you. That's the biggest touchscreen Audi has ever put in a Q3. And the headlights? They're not just LED, they're digital matrix LED with customizable daytime running lights. You can pick your own light signature. Your Q3 literally looks different than every other Q3 on the road. Here's what nobody saw coming. This thing is fast now, like properly fast. 255 horsepower from a tuned 2.0-liter turbo, 273 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. The old Q3 took 7.8 seconds to hit 60. This one shaves off more than 2 seconds. That's BMW X1 territory. That's Mercedes GLA performance. And it costs $44,995. The dual-clutch transmission snaps off shifts like a performance car. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard. No front-wheel drive option. Everyone gets the good stuff. And it's quieter inside thanks to acoustic glass on the front windows. So quiet you can hear the subtle whir of the turbo spooling up when you floor it. The rear seats recline now. They slide forward and back. You can actually get comfortable back there, which is rare in a subcompact SUV. Cargo space grew to 29 cubic feet with the seats up, 50 cubes with them folded. Plus, it can tow 1,500 pounds if you need it to. But here's the thing that ties this all together. Audi didn't just redesign the Q3, they reimagined what an entry-level luxury SUV should feel like. The no-shifter move is bold, the power bump is aggressive, the tech is from cars twice the price. This isn't a cheap Audi anymore. It's a compact SUV that refuses to feel compact. So yeah, the missing shifter sounds like a gimmick, until you sit in one and realize it's the smartest move Audi made. Next time, we're diving into something even more unexpected. A luxury sedan that costs less than this Q3, but somehow feels more special. You won't believe what they pulled off. Drop a comment if you'd actually buy this shifterless wonder. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.